Hello people, welcome to another episode of Cilantro. Today is the third episode of our rice week. What we're going to do today is purely experimental, and this involves of making rice balls. This is the most simplest version that I'm going to do it with some mushrooms and cheese. You can go on further, add it like meat or chicken or whatever your favorite thing is. But I have never tried this before, so this is like purely experimental. Let's see how things turn out. So here they are. This is a tiny short grain rice that is cooked. It is about like 1 cup of rice, and we have like half an onion, big onion, finely chopped, and we have some green chilies, some cheese cubes. You can use your favorite cheese, some butter, some corn flour, and some basin powder. This is chickpea flour, and we have some white mushrooms, about like 3 mushrooms that we are going to dice it finely. Few cloves of garlic and our favorite herb cilantro. Here's the first step of our cooking process. We're gonna make some garlic infused oil with some butter. On that we're gonna cook the mushrooms. That's it. So this is about a minute later. The garlic started to sizzle, and I don't want it to be crisp, so I'm gonna transfer it to our mixing bowl. Now in this oil, this rich oil, I'm gonna add some mushrooms. Add in our onions, add in our chili flakes. Now the moisture content has completely evaporated, and every bit of the flavor is absorbed, and we transfer it to the rice bowl. As first step, as always, we're gonna add some salt, some pepper. You can add whatever seasoning that you like. This is just a bit of extra flavor. Olive oil is prepared. Our usual red chili powder. I'm gonna add some soy sauce to this because it would add an extra umami. So this is experimental, so almost half a tablespoon of soy sauce. So I added like 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, and I'm gonna add like half a spoon extra. That makes 2.5 spoons, and another half a spoon of corn flour. I just added like 1 whole tablespoon of corn flour, so I added like a little bit extra. Now we're gonna add some water. Whenever you find that garlic, just smash it. It's a sticky process, but yeah. So keep doing this for about a minute or 2. So the next step of process is making these beautiful balls, but the mixture is too sticky, so what I have to do is that I have to apply a little bit of our cooking oil in my hand so it doesn't stick around. So in order to stuff the cheese, just make a flat one. Take your cheese cube, place it in the center, try to cover it, and then start rolling. This is the last step of the process. I don't want the oil to be too hot, and I want it to be in a medium flame. Somewhere around like 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, a little less than that. You can check things out by adding a little bit of our mixture, and it should start to sizzle. Let's check out how our cheese stuff is at the center. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a taste of it. By the way I chew it, the sound that makes, you can perfectly tell it's like crispy, it's lovely, and you guys have to try this though. And also you can change the shape. You can change to regular rod shape. By this you attain the perfect consistency. Please do check out the other episodes in our rice week, and don't forget to comment, and also ask your friends and family and everybody that you know to subscribe if you really like what I'm doing. And thank you very much. Arigato.